Hi everyone. So today I'm going to be talking about one of my favorite products, that is from Bioderma, the Atoderm Intensive range, which has been my savior specifically in the winter months. And it's the right time to talk about it since winters are almost here, and a lot of us who have dry, sensitive skins like mine. I really have a dry, flaky skin, so we really struggle during these winter months to keep our skin moisturized and nourished and supple. So trust me, this has been my savior from the past few years, and it's a very good range of products by Bioderma, and their intensive balm and their intensive gel muson have been in my skincare regime every winter, and this has really been very good for my skin type, because I really have a very dry, flaky skin, and I have tried a lot of products but nothing has really worked. And since the time I started using these products, there's no looking back actually. Yeah, so this gel based face wash deeply cleanses your skin without leaving it dry, and it completely takes care of all the impurities, and the best part is that it has no fragrance. So a person like me, I really don't like highly fragrant products when it comes to your skincare, specifically your face washes and your moisturizers. So the best part, it is absolutely fragranceless, and also it is very suitable for any skin type, specifically the dry skin and sensitive skin people, and even very safe for little kids and infants. This gel has antimicrobial properties, which makes it very suitable to be used in skins with eczema, specifically in children, in small kids who have eczema or very dry skin. And also it contains an ingredient called as xanthine, which helps in reducing the skin burning or skin itching. So there are people who have got certain skin issues which leads to skin itching and skin burning. So this product is highly recommended. You can wash your body, wash your face with this product, and it has really the soothing properties which will relieve you of all the itching and burning sensation. So talking about their Atoderm Intensive Balm, this is basically a moisturizer or cream which can be used for your face and for your body. And in my language, I would say this is completely a winter savior for anyone with severe dry, flaky skin type. There have been people who have told me and who have claimed that their skin texture has visibly improved after using this cream or moisturizer. So maybe you can give it a try in case you have very dry and flaky skin. So it's an ultra soothing balm, and it has a very thick and creamy texture. So when I apply this particular product, in winters of course every day I'm using this product, because it keeps my skin very soft and supple and very hydrated and smooth the entire day. And I really don't feel like applying anything else over this, because it just is enough as a single product. I think it just takes care of all my skin dryness and keeps it very hydrated, and that's it. I think anyone who has a very dry and flaky skin type, this is a big yes.